Hi, friends. Welcome to Math Today. This is Monday, September 14th, and we are doing lesson 1.5. And we've been talking about addition so far. I want to remind you that we will be having a test over this unit on Friday. So make sure you are caught up because this unit is about addition and subtraction. So again, test is on Friday. Here we go. Let me present my screen to you and we'll get right to the lesson. Here is our friend, Mr. Roba, and we are going to give him a listen to and see what he has to teach us today.
Five cats have blue hats. 2 cats have orange hats. How many more blue hats are there than orange hats?
I want to point out to you that we have a new term today. It's how many more blue hats are there than orange hats. That tells me this word more is my clue that this is going to be a subtraction problem. That it is not an addition, it's a subtraction. We will be using the minus sign or take away.
You can use cubes to compare. What do the blue cubes stand for?
Select the hats comparing the number of cats using cubes. Oops. We don't have cubes, but you could use your counters that we gave you, or you could draw a picture.
The blue cubes stand for the blue hats. There are 5 blue hats and 5 blue cubes. Which hats do the orange cubes stand for?
Sorry, I'm trying to get there we go.
The orange cubes stand for the orange hats. There are 2 orange hats and 2 orange cubes. How many more blue hats are there than orange hats?
There are 3 more blue hats than orange hats.
You see 3 more blue cubes than orange cubes. You can write a subtraction equation to compare. Look at the subtraction equation. What does the 5 stand for? The 5 stands for 5 blue hats. What does the 2 stand for? The 2 stands for 2 orange hats. What does the 3 stand for? The 3 stands for the difference. There are 3 more blue hats than orange hats.
Okay, so remember that this was a subtraction problem. Subtraction is take away. Okay, this is not the right screen. Hold on just a moment and let me click on, oops. I didn't want to exit. I just wanted to go to a different. Here we go. Guided practice. This is what we want. The cubes, you can use the cubes to help, or your counters. They want us to write an equation and then solve. We have 6 yellow frogs and 3 green frogs. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many more yellow frogs than green frogs are there? Well, they told us there are 6 yellow frogs, and because they want to know how many more, that keyword that tells us that it's a subtraction, they've already put a subtraction in here. We're going to take away the green frogs, and this is how many we have left of yellow frogs. So we are going to say we have 3 more yellow frogs. Notice it says yellow frogs here because they are identifying what we are talking about. Very important part of word problems to tell us what we are referring to. Okay, this is your independent practice. This is what you will be doing on your own, but I would like to model a couple of questions. Let's go to the words. I want to talk about the higher order thinking because these are in the assessment practice, the items we will be doing in class independently to really get your brain working and to be thinking about math, because we found out that math is not, math is something we use all the time, and it's something for both boys and girls. And these just really get us thinking. And one of the reasons I like these questions is because we get to do the thinking. They don't tell us what to do. So number 7 says, draw some yellow flowers. Then draw more red flowers than yellow flowers. Well, I'm going to quickly choose my yellow here, because we're going to draw some yellow flowers. And I'm just going to make a little V of yellow. So I'm going to give us 3 yellow flowers. But then it says I have to draw more red flowers. So I'm going to pop over here, choose red, so I'll know the difference. And I'm going to draw those red right underneath. But I have to draw more, so I have to have more than 3. Well, there's 3. That's the same, and I have to have more. So let's see. So we know in a subtraction problem, always the largest comes first, because if we don't have enough, we can't subtract. Let me quickly change my pen. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red flowers. Let's write 5. We know this is a takeaway because we want to find out how many more red flowers. Well, how many yellow flowers did we draw? 1, 2, 3. So it's 5, take away 3. We can't forget our equal sign. Let's count how many we have together. Well, to me, the easiest thing to do is just like they did. They drew arrows, and I'm not that good with this marker yet, but maybe by the time NTI is over, I'm just going to draw a line through this, the same number, and then I have to count what is left. Well, what is left is 1, 2. So I'm going to draw or write a 2. Well, how many more red flowers do I have? I have 2 more red flowers. Now remember, one of the things I love about this problem is you get to decide how many yellow flowers and red flowers. So this equation, this number sentence is all you. Let's go over here and look at this assessment. There are 6 gray cats, 4 white cats. Well, you guys know I like to create a problem. Well, we know there's 6 and there's 4. It says how many more gray cats than white cats are there? Well, I know more means that's a subtraction. So 6 minus 4. Let's do this. I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to mark out 4 of them. 1, 2. This way I won't be counting them when I find out how many's left. 4. Okay, so what do I have left? I have 2 left. So this equals 2. Well, right away, I see our answer. 2 more gray cats. It can't be 4. It can't be 6. And it cannot be 10. Okay? Because we use the takeaway sign. And we always write the bigger number first, 6 gray cats. And we took away 4 white cats. And we have 2 more gray cats. Okay. The rest of the independent practice is for you to do. Let me stop presenting. Okay, the rest is for you to do. This assignment is due by Monday, but we need to talk about it before then. So the quicker you get this lesson done, the better off you are. This is your assignment for independent practice today. Don't forget, test on Friday. Have a great day, friends. See you later.